What's up, everyone? It's Marie with M&D Trading, and we are back. We have another Lord of the Rings Collector Booster Pack. We'll jump right in. Make sure you leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think of this set. What's been your favorite card so far? I've just thought that this set is so pretty. I've had so much fun opening these cards, and we've had a lot of fun playing with the cards as well. Glamdring. Bilbo, Retired Burglar. Mary, Esquire of Rohan, and our token. And that will wrap it up for this pack. Thanks for watching.